Chrome gets new AI features. Gemini in the Chrome browser is rolling out to all US users, adding crosstab reasoning and contextual understanding. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Friday, September 19th, 2025. Chrome Gemini is turning browsing into an assistant that remembers context across tabs and can act for you. Ask it to compare products, recall a page, or fill a cart with checkpoints. That change alone will alter search, shopping, and trust signals. Nvidia stunned the market by investing $5 billion for a 4% stake in Intel to co-develop AI data centers and PC chips. Intel will manufacture chips tuned for Nvidia and build x86 RTX system on chips with GPU chiplets, while NVLink speeds CPU-GPU transfers. Expect faster hardware cycles and intensified competition. Notion launched AI agents that build pages, analyze feedback, pull from Slack and Drive, and autonomously run for about 20 minutes. A huge productivity leap. From the frontier, Snowflake's CEO warned AI threatens many firms and said memory, context, and outcome-driven pricing will define winners. Creators should note Luma AI's Ray 3 is in Adobe Firefly, enabling realistic AI video from prompts. Show visuals, Gemini demos, NVLink diagrams, Notion agents in action, and Ray 3 clips. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about AI industry pivot in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.